Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel. Come along with me as I transform this ordinary cookie jar into a dice holder. For everyone playing along at home, here's the material list of everything I used for this project. For this project, one of the main mediums I'm going to be using will be Sculpey 3. When I found this cookie jar at my local hobby store, I thought it would be a little bit too small for cookies, but perfect to hold dice or small treasures. What drew me to this cookie jar, besides it being a cat, was the basic shape. I liked how it was a little on the chunky side with itty bitty ears. With that all being said, I'm not going to change the general shape, just add to it. I'm going to give him some feet, add a tail, and make the face a little more cartoony looking. When it comes to giving the cat fur, I'm going to start with my rubber-tipped sculpting tool. Then I will brush it with some isopropyl alcohol to smooth out the lines and then go back over it with a stiff bristle brush. In 2022, most of my projects were true to life, screen accurate, on the realistic side of the art spectrum. So this year I wanted to start off with something a little more cartoony and on the whimsical side that I normally tend to gravitate towards. I'm thinking this cat is going to be a magical cat. What would a magical cat be without a magical staff and a cute little wizard's hat? I'm using liquid Sculpey to help glue the hat in place. We all know magical cats need magical items, so let's give him some pouches, some phoenix feathers, and an amulet. A couple of mushrooms to fill in the extra space. Now that everything is baked, it's time to prime the dice holder for painting. My color choice is pretty simple. I'm going to play off of the complementary colors and use oranges for the body and shades of blue for the hat. Now that everything is painted, it's time to bring this project together. I'm starting off with putting some felt on the bottom, putting the body together, and then adding all the little trinkets and baubles. Then I will fill in the gaps with some miniature grass. Well, we've done it. We've made it to the end of another video. I would like to thank you so much for joining me. And if you really enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Pat and I have a ton of things planned for this year, and hopefully you can come along for the ride. And now for our final step, let's check out those final results.